Welcome to I Review You Read DIY. It seems like a long time since I posted a DIY video. So today I'm going to bring you an extra special one. Before I move on, do remember to click the little red button at the bottom to subscribe to my channel for more DIY tutorials, beauty and lifestyle review and vlog. Today's video, I'm going to teach you 3 ways on how you can keep your travel memories. And what's great about this is that these techniques could be used to keep your other memorable moments as well. So with that, let's jump into the tutorial.
The first tutorial will be a guide on how you can display your trinkets from your travels in a shadow box. Items required includes a shadow box, stationeries, and of course your travel trinkets. The first step is to retrieve example picture or frame from the shadow box. I will be using the map as the background. To keep things easier, I folded and glued the map onto the frame. After that is done, it's time to pick up what to cover the background with. I gravitate towards scenery and the names of the iconic places that I've been to. When you're done choosing, carefully cut them out. Now to arrange them. My strategy is to place the bigger pieces at the back, then I'll arrange the other pieces and be satisfactory. Do remember you don't need to put all that you've cut on the canvas. Just place the important ones. In my layout, I decided to highlight and focus on displaying the thickets of attraction that I've been to. I've also put some mountains so that there's some color in the design. After you've secured your design, chop off the sides so that the layout can fit in your frame. Now that background is done, we will be creating the hanging elements in the shadow box next. First, I tied the strings to the sides of the inner wooden frames of the shadow box. Remember to tie the strings softly. Thereafter, choose your favorite clip and hang on your tickets. Since I'm hanging 3 trinkets, I tied a second string at the bottom. You need to ensure the favorite part of your background is not covered by these trinkets. Put your background in and readjust if needed. The final step is to fill the bottom of your shadow box. I chose little rocks and other trinkets to decorate them with. You can use anything as long as they fit. First, I spread the stones as the base. Then I arrange the little souvenirs that I've gotten from the trip. Finally, when everything is done, secure the bag. And you're done. I love this project. Why not only tastefully display the thickets and maps from the trip, it also makes a good gift for your loved ones too.
In the shadow box so filled with life, I like how you can put the decorations at the bottom so that you can put like little tiny souvenirs in the trip as well. Moving on.
In this tutorial, I will be presenting to you on how to make a display memory plate. You'll need a plate, tickets, pictures from pamphlets, and most importantly, Mod Podge. Mod Podge is important for it not only acts as a glue, but it also doubles as a sealer and helps make the surface waterproof. The first step is to spread the Mod Podge evenly. To prevent it from drying, spread half a plate or a small part first. Next, layer the trinkets on the plate. You can add more Mod Podge if necessary. When you're done, spread another layer of Mod Podge on the top to seal them in. Let the Mod Podge dry, cut off the edges. Add some stickers or small pictures to make the memory plate look fuller. And that's how you make your very own display travel memory plate.
Display memory plate is great for putting like your accessories on it, like maybe put your necklace on it, or just displaying it in the display shelf. You can also try to adhere it to the wall so that you can have like a lines of memory plates. I call that the Traveler Plate series. Now moving on to the last tutorial.
In this last tutorial, I will be creating a travel journal page with you. You need your journal and your travel trinkets for this tutorial. I place the bigger piece first and work the other piece around it. I added in the days so that I can take note of my travel adventures. To ensure that I would still be able to see the front and back of the trinkets, I secure them to the journal using glue. You can also use washi tape for a more aesthetic approach. Time for some stickers. Stickers are great for filling in the gaps. Think of them as the cherry on top. Aside from stickers, you can fill up the spaces with some writings. Since I went to the aquarium, I added some sea life stickers next to the tickets. I try to add decorations that represent the places that I went to. Next, I attempt to draw the Sydney Tower.
Close enough!
Finally, I add a little quote at the back. And I'm done! Presenting my finished travel pages.
The perfect journal pages. If you cannot know, I'm slightly obsessed with journaling, and I do feature them on my social media and on my blog as linked in the description box below, or as you can see here. So I love this technique because it involves keeping everything in our beloved journal, but it also looks so cool. Like there's an extra inserts over here, plus you can flip it and look. You can even write little tiny messages. You can even use this like as a memory card. Like just turn this into a card. Yay! Now all of our travel trinkets are displayed for the world to see, and we do not even have to fork out a fortune. If you prefer the blog version of this tutorial, do head over to IreviewUread.com as linked in the description box below. And do remember to follow me on social media on Facebook and on Instagram. Of course, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe on this video. Finally, if you are looking for more DIY tutorials, do head over to my DIY playlist over here, or as linked in the description box below, or more vlogs and beauty and lifestyle reviews. Clearly, I covered everything. Thank you for watching IreviewUread DIY tutorial, and I hope to see you next time. If you are a journal junkie like me, do stay tuned for another journal video. I'm going to do like a short journal video, but you will like it.